In the TCS entrance exam, we have a section called Advanced Coding. In the NQT Digital as well as for the Innovator profiles, we have an advanced coding section which contains of two questions, which we have to solve in around 60 to 70 minutes. The languages available for us are C, C Sharp, C++, Java, Python, and Perl. So in this video, we will solve two such questions. So the question is as follows. Given a string which contains alphanumeric character, find out whether it contains all the numbers from 1 to 9. If yes, then return yes or print yes, else print no. The test cases given for us to better know the question are as follows. From the first test case, we can see that the input string contains all the numbers from 1 to 9, and so the output returned is yes. In the second test case, we can see that there is no 2 present in the string given, so the output should be no. Now we have to write a code which will solve these test cases and also the other hidden test cases. So we'll start writing the code. To read the input, we will make use of the Python's inbuilt function input, or also we can use the library called sys. We can read it from the sys.stdin. We will name the input as text equal to input. Now what we have to do is we have to find a, now we have the text as input. In the text we will store the string. Now we have to find as what if it contains this character, these numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So that we will make a list numbers and we will save the numbers in string format. This list will be useful to find out whether the string contains the numbers or not. Now what we will do is we will loop, as we know that a string, we can loop over a string. So we will loop over a string like this for I in text. Now what will this return? We will see. We will copy the string and we will run this line by line. Now we can see that it is stored in the string. And now when we run this loop, we will find that each character has been printed. So in I, every character will be present. So what we will do is we will compare the I with the elements in the numbers list. So if I in numbers, so what this means is if I is a numeric character, we will go into this if condition. Okay, and now we will create another temporary list temp. What will we use for? It will be used to store the number which we find in the string. Okay, so if I numbers, we have to append it to the temp list. So temp dot append I. Now what will it do? Now here we can see that it has two threes. So it will store all the numbers 1 2 3 3 4 5 9 8 3 6 7. We'll see this. Okay, numbers is not defined. See, the temp list contains all the numbers, but we can see that there are duplicate characters as well. So how to resolve that issue. We can, in Python, as a built-in function, built-in data type set, which contains only, which allows only the unique values of a list. So we will change the temp to set. Okay, so now we can see that all the numbers present are only ones. 1, 9. Okay. Now, how can we confirm that all the numbers from 1 to 9 are present in the temp? As we know that there are only nine numbers present. So if the length of the temp is 9, we can confirm that all the numbers from 1 to 9 are present in the temp. So we will use again an if condition. So if length of print yes is print no. Okay, so as we have all the numbers present in it, so it will return yes. Okay, now we will try this with some another. Now we will try this with some another input. As given in the test case 2, it does not contain the numerical number 2. So we will give it as input and check whether what it returns. See, it returned no because it does not have 2. This is the easy solution for this type of problem. This is a question of string. The given question is, there is a string of lowercase English letters that is repeated infinitely many times. Given an integer and find and print the number of letter of each in the first 10 letters of the infinite string. So what does this question mean? We can better understand it using the test case given. The input string given is as EBA and the n is 10. So what they ask is that the string ABA is repeated infinite number of times. So ABA, 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 and so on. So in this, from the first 10 characters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In these 10 characters we have to count. These 10 characters we have to count how many times the letter E has been repeated. So here we can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. So the letter A is repeated 7 times. So we have to return the count of letter A repeated, and which is 7. So this is what we have to do. So we will write the code for this in Python. We will take in the text input as using the built-in function input of the input from the Python. And now once the input is stored, we will repeat it the n number of times. So here is the Python code for the question discussed. We will take in the string input from the built-in input function and store it in a variable called as text. Now, considering the test case, the string is of length 3 and we have to find the number of times the letter E is repeated in the infinite number of string of 10 characters. So as we can see that at least the string must have at least been repeated 4 times to get to reach the 10th character, because 3 into 3 is 9. Okay, so we will calculate the number of repetitions in integer complete repetitions of the string necessary. So as we know that ABA repeated 3 times gives 9. ABA, ABA, and if we repeat it one more times, we have the length of the string is 12 character. We do not want that, so we repeat it for the integer number of times. So we can find out that reps equal to an integer division len of text. So what we will check what it returns. It returns 3. Now in this complete repetition we have to find out how many times the character A has been repeated. Reps A equal to reps into text dot count character. The count character returns the count of the element specified. So text dot count E will return 2 as text contains only 2 times E, and when it is multiplied by the number of repetitions, which is 3, we will return 6, which is required. Okay, so we have reps 6, so that means if ABA is for 3 times, we have ES 6 times, but still now here the length of the string is 9, which is not equal to 10, so we have to repeat it, not complete one time, but for the one time, not complete time, but for the remainder amount of time. So we can find out that using remain equal to the modulus division of n of text. So it gives us 1. What does it mean? So it says that reps is we have to repeat the input text completely 3 times and plus the first character of the input text, it will give the 10 characters. Okay, so now in the first line remain, we will check if the character is A or not. So we will use a counter, and we will increment the counter every time the character A has been found. Now to get the total number of times A has been repeated, we will use total equal to A plus count. So see what. So as seen, the total returns is 7, which is as required. So we will print out the total. And this is how the question is solved in very easy manner. Thank you.